Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Zello app. You click on settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Zello app. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. In the end you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.